When the Storm 2021, I am super excited.
I'm absolutely jumping out of my skin. A lot of us guys have been locked in the house for COVID. We're scratching at the walls. You know, some of you guys were go-getters, made a lot of money during COVID, but a lot of people were scared. And so I think this is going to be one of the best events ever because it's been a year. It's one of the first events in New Orleans, and we're excited to go.
Let's start off with Tuesday. We have John Houghtaling's Ferrari Garage.
Is John Houghtaling?
John Houghtaling.
He's one of the biggest guys in Louisiana and New Orleans. He's the boss. I'm excited.
Yep, there's over 20 exclusive Ferraris in there. We got the Star Wars characters.
Cocktails?
Like the Space Cruiser. There's cocktails, don't worry. So Wednesday we have the Brown Mansion. So this is one of the oldest mansions in Louisiana.
Mansion or mansion?
Like 22,000 square feet.
I go to a lot of fancy places. I mean, this place is going to be sick.
9 bedrooms, 4 stories. They have concerts there. It's huge. Thursday we have the Bourbon View Street. So that's the largest balcony on Bourbon Street. It overlooks the French Quarter. You can see all the architecture. There's weddings there, private events. It's a nice place. Friday, we have the Industry Award Night.
Everyone's been voting, right?
All these people were voted by you guys, nominated. So that is our week. We are very limited on tickets, so call right now and I will get you a special deal. You do not want to miss VIP.
I'll tell you right now, my guys ain't being behind the red line. Can I get some tickets, Kelly? Kelly.
Hello? You need tickets?
I need tickets, Kelly. Kelly!